小朋友们好，今天我们来上一节英文课。那英文课，陈老师肯定要跟你说英文，但是陈老师那个说英文的帽子在学校，所以我们就假装有一个帽子。一二三，说英文。Alright, so we have two learning targets today. So the first learning target is I can tell what is a fact and what is an opinion. So today we are going to learn the differences between fact and opinion. So that's our first learning goal. And our second learning goal is to practice one of the strategies from our cafe menu. So if you still remember this, Chen Laoshi has this whiteboard in our room that says cafe, C-A-F-E. And in English class, we sometimes practice reading with these strategies. So C stands for comprehension, which means you are understanding what you're reading. A stands for accuracy, which means you're reading all the words correctly. You're not missaying any word. So F is for fluency, which means you're reading with very good tones and flows. So you're not reading like, my cat is a girl. You're reading with like, I have a cat who is a girl. Her name is Mimi. You're reading like that. And then expand vocabulary means you are learning new words from reading books. Okay, so today, the strategy we will be practicing is under C, comprehension, and I'm going to read the strategy for you aloud, and if you would like, you can read it with me too. Okay, let's begin. Look for facts from the text to answer questions. Okay, so that is the strategy we're going to practice today, is to look for facts from the text to answer questions, which is why we are going to learn what is a fact first. Okay, you ready? We are going to begin. Okay, first we are going to watch a short video together. That's about 2 minutes that tells you what's the difference between fact and opinion. So let's see.
Fact and Opinion for Kids by Teaching Without Frills. What is a fact? A fact is something that is always true. Facts can be proven. We can find facts by doing research in books or on the internet, or we can even do research of our own. Here's an example of a fact. Dogs need food and water to survive. This is a fact because it's always true, and you can prove it by doing research. So, what's an opinion? An opinion is what you think or feel about something. It cannot be proven, and your opinion might be different than someone else's. Here's an example. You may think dogs are the best pets. You may feel like dogs are so cute, but someone else may think, no way, cats are the best and they are way cuter. So now let's see if you can tell the difference between a fact or an opinion. Apples are fruit. Fact or opinion? Yes, this is a fact because it is always true. How about this one? Apples are delicious. Right, this is an opinion. Some people think apples are delicious, other people not so much. So if you're trying to determine if something is a fact, ask yourself these two questions. Is it always true? Can it be proven? And if the answer is yes, then that's how you know it's a fact. If you liked this video, then check out.
Alrighty, so did you learn something new from that video? So let's recap the video a little bit because the lady in the video speaks a little bit fast. Alright, let's see. So in the video, the little teacher told you what is a fact and what is an opinion. So let's recap. Did you remember what is a fact? Think about it for a second. Yep, you are correct. A fact is something that is true. That is true. So for example, an apple is a type of fruit. That is a fact. Lila is a school. That is also a fact. I have two examples here for you. So like this, Lila is a school. So that is a fact. And Chen Laoshi teaches 3rd grade at Lila. That is also a fact. So because they're both true. And you can prove these two. So you can actually go to Lila to see if it's a school. And you can go check to see if Chen Laoshi actually teach 3rd grade at Lila. So they're both facts. And opinions. Opinion is what you think or feel about something. Your opinion might be different than other people's opinion. So for example, like the little teacher said in the video, you might be a cat person. So you might think cats are the best in the world. But a dog person might think dogs are way cuter than cats. So your opinion and that person's opinion is different. So opinion is just something that you think or you feel. Okay, so for example, Chen Laoshi is the best teacher in the world. Is that opinion or fact? That is an opinion because Pan Laoshi's student might think Pan Laoshi is the best teacher in the world. So different people can have different opinion on this. Let's do a little practice. So here I have 4 different things. Let's sort them by fact or opinion. First one, apple is a type of fruit. What do you think? You are right, it is a fact. Second one, Chen Laoshi's 3rd grade class is the best class at Lila. Fact or opinion? You are right, it is an opinion because other people might think their class is the best class at Lila, right? So we can all have different opinions on this. Third one, distance learning is better than going to school. What do you think? We talked about this at our morning meeting the other day. Yes, it is an opinion because some people might like going to school better. Some people might like staying at home and doing distance learning better. We can all have different opinions. Last one, there has been a lot of people who got sick because of coronavirus in the world. Yep, that is a fact because if you check the news daily, you will see a lot of people in this world, a lot of people in different countries are being influenced by coronavirus. So that is a fact. All right, so now that we learned what is a fact and what is an opinion, we are going to do some practice at Seesaw. So I'm going to teach you how to do that right now. Okay, so if you go to Seesaw, you will see this assignment and you will see this video that I'm making right now as well. So you're gonna first watch this video that I'm making right now. And then after you watch some video, you're gonna click add the response. And then you will see something like this. This is exactly what we just practiced during this video, what I just showed you. So you're gonna sort these things based on if it's a fact or if it's an opinion. If it's a fact, you're gonna put it here. If it's opinion, you're gonna put it here. Okay, and once you're done with all of this, you're gonna click the little green arrow and be done. Okay, so that's the first assignment of today's English class. So for example, if you're done sorting all of them, so this is, I'm not saying this is right, okay? So this is just an example, okay? And then after that, you're gonna click the green arrow. All right, and after that, there is also another assignment. They're both under the same assignment, but there are 2 pages you need to do, okay? So you are going to find this packet, this English packet that I sent home with you guys. It's in the same package with all the papers. So you're gonna go to page 8 and 9. So I have them right on here because another goal of our English class today is to practice look for facts from the text to answer questions. So you are going to read this really short passage about seashells. This article has a lot of facts about seashells. So you're going to read the passage and answer the 8 questions after reading the passage. What I would like you to do as you read is, first of all, you're going to read through the article for the first time. Okay? After that, when you're doing the questions, something I would like you to do is to go back to the article and highlight what you think is the answer of each question. I'm going to show you a quick example. So first, the first question, so let's see, I already read this article. Let's just say that, okay? And then first question is, some shells grow 8 rainbows, B, 4 feet long, C, butterfly wings. I wonder which one is the right answer. I'm going to go back to the article. And I'm going to have my highlighter ready. Seashells come in many different shapes, size, and colors. Some shells grow as big as 4 feet long. Oh, I'm going to highlight that, and now I know the answer is B. Because in the article it says some shells grow as big as 4 feet long. So that is the strategy we are going to practice today. So when you finish these 2 pages, I would like to see a lot of highlights in these articles and all the correct answers. So when you're finished, listen up, when you're finished, you're going to go back to Seesaw, right here. Click Add Response. Okay. And this is the first page that I just taught you what to do, right? Now the trick here is there's a second page right here, okay? So say that I'm done with the first page. This is not the right answer, remember? I'm just doing this to show you. And then I'm going to go to the second page, okay? It says, take a picture of page 8 and 9 of your packet and post them here. So you're going to click the little take a photo camera icon, and then you're going to take a picture. You can also upload a picture too if you already took the picture on your camera. You're going to take a picture of your packet that you're done. So I'm not done here yet, but say that I'm done. I'm going to take a picture like this. So okay, this is a very bad picture, but I just want to show you how to take pictures. And then when you're done with both page 1 and page 2, you can click the little green icon, the green check button, and be done with the homework. Ta-da! All right, so that's the class for today. Let me know if you have more questions.